ZANAFLEX, which belongs to the group of medicines acting on the nervous system, is available in 2 mg, 4 mg, and 6 mg capsule forms, and in 2 mg and 4 mg tablet forms. The active ingredient of this medicine is Tizanidine hydrochloride. You can find the list of excipients in the final part of the video. The information you will hear in this video has been prepared based on the patient information leaflet of the medicine. If you find the video helpful, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel to support us. What is ZANAFLEX and what is it used for? ZANAFLEX is a muscle relaxant used to reduce muscle spasms, muscle stiffness, and involuntary muscle contractions caused by neurological conditions such as multiple sclerosis, spinal cord injury, and similar disorders. And it helps make movement easier by reducing muscle tone. How should ZANAFLEX be used? ZANAFLEX should be used at the dose and for the duration prescribed by your doctor. Treatment is usually started at a low dose, and the dose is gradually increased by your doctor if needed. In most patients, the starting dose is 2 mg, and the dose may be increased at intervals of several days until a satisfactory reduction in muscle stiffness is achieved. The tablet or capsule is taken by mouth and should preferably be taken at the same time each day. If you miss a dose, do not take a double dose to make up for it. Things you should know before using ZANAFLEX are as follows. Do not use this medicine if you are allergic to Tizanidine or to any of the other ingredients of ZANAFLEX. Tell your doctor if you have liver disease or if you have had liver problems in the past. ZANAFLEX may cause low blood pressure and marked drowsiness in some people. Therefore, caution is required when driving or operating machinery, especially at the beginning of treatment. Drinking alcohol while using this medicine may increase side effects such as drowsiness and dizziness. If you are pregnant, planning to become pregnant, or breastfeeding, consult your doctor before using ZANAFLEX. Do not stop taking this medicine suddenly without your doctor's advice, as abrupt discontinuation may cause unwanted effects such as increased blood pressure and a rapid heart rate. The most common and moderately frequent side effects of ZANAFLEX include drowsiness and a feeling of lightheadedness, dizziness, dry mouth, fatigue and weakness, muscle weakness, stomach pain, nausea, diarrhea or constipation, increased sweating, skin rash, nervousness and restlessness, and numbness or tingling in the hands and feet. In addition, low blood pressure, a slow heart rate, and increases in liver enzyme levels may also occur in some patients. If this video was helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. You can share your opinions and experiences about medicine use in the comments section.